Want to move music from Mac to iPhone without iTunes? In this video, we'll show you 6 easy ways to transfer your songs without losing existing tracks. Method 1. How to transfer music from Mac to iPhone without iTunes via iOS transfer. To avoid the hassles that come with iTunes, you can use iOS transfer to easily transfer music from Mac to iPhone without worrying about losing your original music library. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your Mac and run iOS transfer. Launch this utility after the installation and link your iPhone to the Mac using a compatible USB cable. Tap Trust on your iPhone's pop-up window. Once connected, the program interface will resemble this. Step 2. Transfer music from Mac to iPhone without iTunes. After the recognition, all data categories display on the left sidebar. Select Music to access the song management interface. Finally, use the plus button. Locate the desired music files on your Mac and transfer them to your iPhone. Method 2. How to copy music from Mac to iPhone without iTunes by AirDrop. On iPhone X or later, swipe down from the top right. On iPhone 8 or earlier, swipe up. Hold the network card, tap AirDrop, choose Contacts, Only, or Everyone. On Mac, open Finder, click AirDrop, set visibility. Find the music file, right-click Share AirDrop, select your iPhone. Tap Accept on your iPhone. Method 3. How to add music from Mac to iPhone without iTunes using Finder. Connect your iPhone to Mac via USB, open Finder, unlock iPhone, and tap Trust in Finder. Click your device, go to Music, check Sync Music, choose Entire Library, or Selected Content, click Apply to transfer. Method 4. How to move music from Mac to iPhone without iTunes via Music app. Connect iPhone to Mac, open Music app, select your device, go to Music tab. Check Sync Music, pick Content, click Apply, eject when done. Method 5. How to sync music from Mac to iPhone without iTunes via Apple Music. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone, navigate to Music, and toggle on Sync Library, Allowed Music Library. On your Mac, open the Music or iTunes app, click Music from the top menu, and select Preferences in the General tab. Mark the checkbox for Sync Library, click OK. Method 6. How to get music from Mac to iPhone without iTunes by Dropbox. Install and open Dropbox on both devices, sign in with the same account. Upload songs from Mac Access and download them on your iPhone. Additional tips. Why can't I transfer music from Mac to iPhone without iTunes? Update software. Check cable port. Free space on iPhone. Tap Trust. Turn on Sync Music. Use non-DOM songs. Restart devices. Disable iCloud Music Library and Apple Music. Enjoy your music on iPhone.